Hey guys, this is Chris from Ionic Flux. We have developed a new tool that extracts bearings with our partners at Zeleritaz, and also another tool that installs bearings at Zeleritaz as well. So, tearing down and reassembling a fidget spinner in less than a minute. This is how we start. This includes taking out all the weights. So check this out. Just like that. Everything is disassembled. Now we'll put it all back together. Center bearing installed. First weight installed. Second weight installed. And last weight installed. Pop on your caps. Assembled and reassembled in a little less than a minute.